Hey guys, we are so excited because today we are doing something that everybody keeps telling us that we need to do while we are in Tenerife. It should be plus 2 Celsius degrees there right now, so yeah, we only have summer clothes and we're used to like 22 degrees, so it might be a little bit too cold, but we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, I'm already cold just thinking about it.
Do you wanna introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Jonas. I've just started my YouTube channel before 3 months. I just quit everything in Germany to live my dream as a full-time traveler and a full-time content creator.
Yeah, Jonas is super cool guy. I will link his YouTube channel.
Thank you.
Down below. Yeah, we are already starting to get over the clouds. Yeah guys, it's looking pretty nice here. We are just stopping for a quick drone shoot and this is how it looks. So we are over the clouds already and there's the sun. Yeah, I'm so happy we came here because it's crazy beautiful. Look at this. Stopping here and check this place. Oh my god, it's crazy. And there's the volcano. Okay guys, a little change of plans because it cost 40 euros to go on top of the volcano, so we thought yeah, it's probably not worth it right now, so we are just waiting for the sun to set so we can take some photos here for brands. Yeah, if you're planning to go to the volcano, just be aware of very hefty price, and yeah, I don't know how it looks actually over there, but maybe some of you have been on top of the volcano, so leave a comment please if you know if it's worth the money. And as we thought, it's a little bit cold here. I really need my sweater, but it's actually pretty okay. It's definitely not 2 degrees here. Maybe in the top of the volcano it would be.
I think it would be really cool to go up, but at the same time I also think, you know, everything we just see around here we could also see like from the top. So I mean, yes, it would be cool to go up. It might be worth, but it might not be worth, and 37 euros is for us like nearly 2 days of living, so I think it's pretty awesome down here already.
Maybe we can go for a hike? I don't know. Do you think so? No? Okay.
We're not going,
We're not going for the hike, but yeah. The landscape over here is also very beautiful, so
Yeah, it's so pretty, and it's 6 hours hike, isn't it?
yeah.
Like one way?
One way, yeah.
No, we're not going for that.
Challenge accepted.
Okay guys, I just got some amazing drone shots and we lost the sun and I'm freezing and
I'm freezing too.
Everybody is freezing
yeah,
now.
it's so cold. Guys, if you come here, you need to find this place. I will insert the name of these rocks here.
We made it!
We got down.
Guys, can you like turn around and look at that? Like, it's a red rock. It wasn't red before.
Okay, we are going back to the car now, but because it's so cold and we need some warmness, and but anyways, it's a where are you going?
I want to take a photo of the red rock.
Yeah, it's really cool.